Howdy.
How's it going, guys? Through hiking?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
North or south?
North.
Right on. Right
Yeah.
on. Best of luck
So,
to you.
you know why I'm wearing this?
Both?
Yeah, you know why I'm wearing it? Because you recommended it.
Oh, right on.
Cool.
Yeah.
I heard you're gonna start doing documentary down further south on the AZT. Is that what you're doing right now?
That's what I'm doing right now. You're actually in it.
Wow. Take it easy, man.
See ya. You guys have a good hike.
So I forgot to mention that my Sawyer micro squeeze kind of took a crap on me. It got plugged up real bad. I couldn't get it to back flush. So when I was in Vail, I was lucky enough that the guy who helped me out and picked me up, Eli, had just bought a brand new Sawyer squeeze and he wasn't using it, so I bought it off of him. Sadly, I don't get to continue using the micro because I really liked it, but what are you gonna do? I'm just happy I have a filter that works.
Well, I found the snow up here at just past Manning Camp, right before getting to the peak of Micah, and it's not too bad. It's definitely melted off quite a bit from all the photos that I saw. People were like post-holing up to their knees in some of the snow like a week and a half ago. So it has definitely melted quite a bit. A little chilly, but not bad. I got about another mile to the peak, and then I have like a crazy descent. Hopefully I can get down under 5,000 feet tonight, and then I'm gonna make some camp. So snow, but not Sierra snow.
So today ended up being not too shabby of a day. Saguaro National Park was absolutely amazing. To start off this morning in like super dry desert saguaro fields, to jump up to just over 8,000 feet and be in like snow-covered alpine forest was just so cool. I got down off the mountain, so I'm back under 5,000 feet, so no snow around here, so I don't have to mess with that tonight, and hopefully it'll be a little bit warmer than it was up there. The plan tomorrow is to do about 15 miles to the Catalina Highway, which is actually the closest access to Tucson, and I'm going to go in tomorrow evening, stay the night, and I think I'm actually going to take a zero on Tuesday. 160 something miles. It's probably about time for the first zero. So until then, I'm going to enjoy my dinner, which is couscous. Who guessed it? And enjoy the sunset and this beautiful trail.
So it's kind of weird to be back here. This is the trailhead that Nemor and I tried to drive up to that day when it was super, super rainy and snowy, and we actually got stuck and couldn't get up here because there was this giant mud pit. It is day, 3 of production, and it finally stopped snowing and raining. We decided to drive up here to the trailhead, to the top of the mountains just outside of Tucson, and it's pretty flooded. So that's basically all we have to do, just in a rental car. So pretty neat to have walked back here. It's always cool to return to places on trail that you've been to before, but walking to it, just a totally different perspective. It is so unreal beautiful out here. It's amazing. Just made it down here to the Catalina Highway, which is apparently the easiest way to get into Tucson. So I'm gonna throw out my thumb and see if I can get down there with the hitch. These city folk might not like hitchhikers, so we'll see. Well, after having an unexpected 2 days off in Tucson to basically let a snowstorm and rainstorm pass through, I just jumped back on the trail at the little campground or road or whatever that it was that I got off at the other day. It's nice to get a little bit of R&R in Tucson. Definitely sucked to be off the trail for 2 days, didn't really plan on that. But the good thing is Nemor caught back up with me. So we hung out yesterday, stayed at an awesome Trail Angel's house, and thanks Pinata. And now we're back on the trail, headed up Lemon. Apparently Lemon got dusted with some pretty heavy duty snow, so we should be dealing with quite a bit of post-holing either later today or definitely tomorrow coming down the backside, but oh well. Just made it down here to Sabino Canyon. I think it's how you say it, Sabino Canyon. Absolutely beautiful. Tons of rushing water everywhere. Big saguaro cactus behind me, and this awesome view of Lemon just past here. It has a ton of snow on it. But yeah, really beautiful. Good spot to take a little bit of a break. I believe that right there is where I'm going. Well, I believe I found the snow. Almost to the top of Mount Lemon. Got just a little bit more to go, but it's pretty up here. Snow's not too deep, so it's not too bad walking in it. but it is definitely cold. It got real cold real quick. Dark.